Hey everyone, welcome to Heart4art. My name is Layla, and in today's video I will be showing you how to create 3 easy yet high-end looking DIYs, patriotic DIYs might I add, for the 4th of July, which is right around the corner. If you do like this kind of videos, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, like the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content. And now that you have liked and subscribed to my channel, why don't we go ahead and get to crafting? Let's go. In DIY number 1, I will be doing a flag door sign for my front door. Here I have a scrap piece of wood which measures 4 feet by about 8 inches. And I've measured the top to where the blue part is about 18 inches, and I'm coloring it or painting it blue, which is a custom color. It's like a navy, dark navy blue. The rest of it I painted white, and then I will go ahead and measure 1 inch and add blue painter's tape. There you go. To make the red stripes. This color is actually called a True Burgundy by Folk Art, and I got it from Walmart, and it's a beautiful rich red color. I'm thinking fall for this one too. Here I took acrylic paint, I think it's Parma's paint, acrylic in brown, and I diluted in water, and I'm just giving it all a kind of a stain. That little area that you guys see that has been stained off really a lot, I did it purposely, and that's where my decal is gonna go. So I went on my Cricut machine and I created a 1776 sign with the 2 bars of stars, and then it says "One Nation Under God," and I just really love this. So the white was a little bit stark for me, so what I did is later on you'll see I just kind of took whatever paint was left on my fabric and I just ran it over my vinyl. I did not distress more. So here I am going back and forth and making sure everything dulls out and kind of blends in together, and it looks as one cohesive piece. Project number 2, I will be doing a fabric flag. This little sheet is from Dollar Tree. It is one of their window clings, and that wooden piece is another scrap piece of wood that came from a broken crate. And I'm just painted it plain white paint, whatever I have laying around, and I am actually positioning everything here to see where I like everything to be, and then I will be Mod Podging everything down. Now these window clings, I like them for crafting. I really do not use them on my window because I had a bad experience with them one time, and since then I'm not a big fan of them. So I just don't mess with them on my windows. I use them for crafting, which is a lot of fun to do. Here I am positioning everything, these little firecrackers on behind the truck and all the fireworks and everything. And I just keep messing around with them till I actually like the positioning of the stuff. Here I use Mod Podge to glue everything down and give it a permanent hold. And I will do another coat over the whole project to secure everything in. I am using these little stars on the fender part of the truck, which I thought gave it a little bit of extra pizzazz, and that's all I'm doing is basically painting or gluing everything down, and I will be cutting the edges of that fireworks because they are kind of coming off the board. Here I have some lace, random laces, 13 inches in size, as you can see. I cut up all different ones I had in my stash. I didn't go buy anything. Whatever I had, I used. This is a great way to use up all of your scrap pieces of lace and ribbon and all that stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it on the bottom of it. I hope I explained this correctly. I will be gluing the whole thing down. You can also staple it. Here I'm showing you guys how to burn the edges so they don't fray. But you can staple the bottom, but I just did not want to because that would be a lot of staples going in. So I just randomly start gluing the ribbon to the board on the bottom, pretty much halfway through. If you could see right here, I add some glue, and then just the edge of it can go to the top part of it, and then that way it'll only hold in the middle, and it will kind of dangle correctly. I do this for the whole piece, for all the ribbons. I start off with the white. I do basically all the like ones together, and then I kind of go from there. And I try to spread the blues and the whites and the burlap and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with this whole process till the whole thing is completed. And here I am finishing everything, coming along really pretty, and look how gorgeous it looks with all of the fabric put on. It just looks amazing and stunning. I am going to be adding a hanger to it, and this little piece of fabric or ribbon that you see on the side, the red, white, and blue stars, I will be using that to make a little bow for the top. But this is just the standard rope from Dollar Tree, the cotton rope, and I just made a simple hanger for it. Here I am creating the bow. I just made a loop. It's a very simple bow. I made a loop and I tied the middle, and I'm going to glue the whole thing together on top of it. And I just think it looks really, really pretty. Very simple, very clean, but elegant. This is a star that I found from my stash. I have no idea where it came from, and I just put it on the top to add a little bit more pizzazz. And here is the finished product. Hope you guys like it. Also, let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to be making one of these fabric flags and which decals you used, and if you were able to use up all of your scrap ribbons and laces like I did. I had a ton of them and I used them all up. So go ahead and let me know, and I would love to go check out your version of the fabric flag. DIY number 3 is a beaded garland. What a surprise. I just can't seem to decorate my house without a beaded garland. So I go ahead and show you guys here. I use this technique, and I don't remember. It's one of the ladies here on YouTube that I've seen do this. I don't remember her name, but I basically take some wooden beads that I had in my stash. I took the true burgundy again, diluted it in water, and I forgot to put some Mod Podge, so I went ahead and did that. And I painted them red, and I will be doing them in blue and white as well. Now the white ones are the little square ones that I got from Dollar Tree I think during fall, I want to say last year. So here I go ahead and show you guys a pattern of red, white, and blue, and you can see the square ones there. Now the bigger square ones that I'll show you in a second here, they came from a wooden game from Dollar Tree. If you see, they're kind of at an angle. I just thought they were really, really unique and pretty. I've never seen anybody do that before, so I thought it was different. And the star is actually from that three pack that I got from Dollar Tree of all 3 stars. I already used one for another decoration. I had that blue one that I showed you guys, and here's the red one. And I painted the sparkles with the true burgundy again. And I just tied some jute twine around it. I just thought it was very rustic and very pretty. And I am placing a piece of burlap on the back so it doesn't fray and fall apart. And here is my completed beaded garland. However, I will write the word freedom on that with my Sharpie pen. And I thought it was a really, really unique and neat idea. I've never seen it done before. So I just thought it was exciting for me to try this new little technique of beaded garland. And those little square pieces, the one that are diagonal, came from a game piece, like a Rubik's Cube kind of game from Dollar Tree. And this will actually conclude the garland. And at the end, I did make a tassel right there from the cotton rope from Dollar Tree as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And I will see you guys in my next.